Welcome to Hilomarket. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to claim your validation rewards on Hilomarket. From the Hilomarket main page, use filters to find settled markets where you helped validate or challenge. If you earned rewards, you'll see your action, such as challenged or voted, and can claim directly from the market page. Your HILO balance will update instantly. You can also claim validation rewards from the dashboard, where all rewards are shown in one place. Go to the Validations section to see validations ready to be claimed. For markets you validated or challenged, the dashboard is the easiest way to claim rewards. Simply click the Claim button. The same applies for votes you made during a challenge. You can claim those rewards here as well. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.